Nature. Nature does not hurry, but yet still it gets everything done. You see, at times we tend to go so fast, we don't even get the chance to realize the simple and most important things in life are right in front of us. We come from nature, which means no matter how we take it, we are a part of nature. Nature is doing its best to teach us what's important. But we're so stubborn and so disobedient, we ignore its teachings, and that's the reason why so much negative things are happening in our world today. We humans are the ones who create these problems, and we should take responsibility for our actions and fix them. It's hard to believe that one virus is affecting the world so badly, but that's the reality. With that being said, as I start my day, my goals are in check, but I don't know what to expect. And for that, there is a little fear in starting my day. But as I look through my window, fear descends slowly. Nature has inspired me to write this. As the moon fades from the sky, allowing the sun to rise, the wind swiftly moves between the branches of the trees. You can see, hear, and to some extent, feel the happiness of the birds while they enjoy their first meal. Featuring the sound of the waterfalls, nature creates some of the most beautiful and soothing sounds one could ever hear. It relieves your pain and takes away the fear. Just another day in quarantine. I'm sending love and support to everyone. Together we shall endure. Stay safe.